got my iPhone right now with me today. My other camera is damn dead. And my GoPro needs another card. I have it, just got to get it put in. But anyway, we just went down to a local restaurant that called us up and said they had some freezer equipment that they wanted to get rid of. Been there for a long time. Seen our ad on local media and said, oh, maybe this guy will come and get it. Well, we just got it all. And I don't know if it's all stainless. It's restaurant stuff, but we'll find out soon enough. It's in my trailer right in front of me, all strapped in. It's nice to have a trailer, because if I had a pickup truck, I might be struggling to get that stuff up inside of a pickup truck. But we got it in there in the back of that trailer, which is a lot lower, number one. So look at that goodness going down the road. And that's all some type of stainless, maybe. I don't know what's in it. They're all freezers. That means they have compressors and all kinds of stuff inside of it. All kinds of goodness, I would say. So I'm going to get all that stuff out. So when I get that thing back to the house, we'll see what we got. But in the meantime, Scrapping with Grandpa went by a place, and the guy wanted to give him some scrap metal, being me. While I was there, he asked me, he had some remodeling being done inside of his house, and he said, hey, I'm wondering if you might be interested in this bed. And I'm thinking metal bed, you know, sure, it's made of metal, I'll take it, I said. So he brought me back and gave me this ICU bed. I couldn't believe it. He had just lost his dad. It needed to come out of the house. He had some remodeling being done. So he gave me this ICU bed, which I'm showing you a picture of right now. And I put it on eBay for $5,000. And I'm on my way there now to show it to a client that is interested in it. So it's a $20,000, a $30,000 bed. It's a $20,000 mattress. And a $10,000 bed. So we're heading to show it to a client, and hopefully he grabs it. So that's what I got from Scrapping with Grandpa. Just happened to be scrapping a place, and he asked me if I could take the bed, and I said yes. eBay, thank you. I figured I had enough time to get there before the other guy got there to pick up my bed. So I went to a restaurant locally here in Southport, North Carolina, a place called Thai Peppers. And he had all this goodness right here that he gave us. So if you have any goodness and you see this truck going down the road, you know that I'm scrapping. 910-294-1761. And that is going to say, instead of trailer rental, it's going to say Scrapping with Grandpa. Coming to a neighborhood near you. Anyway, so this is the bed that was given to me. All this metal actually was given to me. This is storm panels. I got that given to me through scrapping. Somebody asked me if I would take it, and I was like, hell yeah, I'll take it. And that's a whole pile of solid aluminum panels for hurricanes. Back seat. But this is a bed that somebody had just asked me and said, would I take it? And it's an amazing bed, hospital bed. And this is something that you're not going to be able to buy this thing here. It would run you about $30,000 if you bought it brand new. So we put it on eBay, and that's what I do when sometimes I get stuff that is scrapped. That hood actually was scrapped from, that top roof to a Mercedes-Benz 80-something model was given to me by somebody. This Toro Edger was given to me by a gentleman that said he was done landscaping and he wasn't doing any more. So that was a absolute free item. And from the same exact person, check this out. He gave me this McLean 7-blade lawnmower. Gave it to me, said he was done. I can pull the crank on that thing, she'll fire right up. So I decided that I'd put that online. But now I've decided more like, I think I might just keep it, because my front lawn is being sodded now. And then the same person gave me that mulcher yard machine 3-way feeding system. Chipper, shredder. So that's what I got from scrapping. So a shredder, a mower, an edger, a whole bunch of aluminum, and a bed.
Thank you, St. James.
Thank you, St. James. And this is just stuff that some of the stuff that I picked up. All the other stuff, of course, I've sold some already and scrapped a whole bunch of stuff. Scrapping with Grandpa, we take anything for this guy to show up. And that whole freezer just about is stainless. There's some steel in the bottom of it. There is a lot of stainless in this coffee maker right here. It's all stainless. I'm gonna take it completely apart. And it's gonna be #1 stainless. I'm not taking them extruded stainless price for about 14 cents. This will all come apart. Whatever stainless on it, I'm gonna keep out. But I just magneted most of this stuff, and half of it's stainless and half of it's not. But that's what I just got from a restaurant in Southport for free, just for putting a little social media ad out. Grandpa, this is 2021, so if you're gonna be a scrapper, I guess the best way to do it is use social media, and social media is definitely paying off for me. I have picked up more scrap through social media. I picked up more nice stuff through social media. It's not even fun. Yeah, baby, there it is, scrap life. And I don't like scrapping in this truck. This is what I did by falling out of a dumpster. I literally fell out of a dumpster onto the side of my truck and then onto the ground. Thank God I didn't get hurt. That's what you get. Thank God I got a storage building. I can put this stuff in when I get it. Because I get so much goodness, it's not funny. Like I say, I still don't know the value of that top, nor that lawn equipment actually, or this storm shutter stuff. But I do know the value of this, and I have 2 people interested. If this first guy doesn't buy it, I've already got it sold to somebody else who said they'd buy it. So it's a nice bed. I got it through scrapping with Grandpa. I've been busy on social media.